Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 8, already day 8 of the Making a Minimalist challenge here at Soul Stories by Elvira. Today, we are going to talk about the hot messes that we secretly all call ourselves. So, an amazing consequence with the task that we've been doing this whole week is a peaceful mind. But today, we are actually going to directly aim at that. So, I'm going to get right into task 1 for the day. Task 1 will be to simply meditate. So I've heard ones that it takes about 20 minutes a day, 5 days a week, and 4 weeks to become fully present. We're not going to start by that. So we are going to start by 5 minutes. And by doing this for 5 minutes, you will, I don't know, we'll get to the consequences later. So I discovered the power of meditation when I stopped trying too hard, when I reached some kind of acceptance. So I was trying to accept that I couldn't, or that I don't know, that whatever came into my mind could come. And before that, when I couldn't accept that, I tried to accept that I couldn't accept it. So reached some kind of acceptance. So 5 minutes a day, guys. I wanted to find the ideal time after this video is over, where you will have time for this, and just give it a week and see what happens. And yes, the benefits. By meditating, you will find it easier to manage stress. You will find this stillness within and clarity of what you want to do, what direction, and how you want the day to be, if you do it in the morning, of course. Task 2 takes slightly more time, but it's very fun. I would like you guys to make a vision board. So basically what a vision board is a visual way of looking at where you want to be, your absolute dream situation in life, and get super creative, become this super absorbed creative person. I did mine once through Pinterest. I looked for pictures there, but you can just take magazines and newspapers, cut out pictures and quotes or words and put on a big piece of paper. With a vision board, you will get some kind of direction, and it's very much easier to prioritize and make choices to reach this state. And it's very, very good to be visual and have a very visual an image of where you want to be. Okay, so that's it for today. Have you had any exciting discoveries the last week with all the tasks? I would love to know. And tomorrow we are going to add something instead of remove. And this will be a very exciting one. And I call myself a pro at it too. So please make sure to stay tuned and see you tomorrow. Have an amazing day. If you haven't looked at the worksheets that I post every day in the comments, do. They're full of my tips and tricks, thoughts for the day, some reflective questions, and all the benefits that come out of today's task. So good morning.